Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove or replace the navigation or the display unit from any Audi A5 from the year 2010 and up. Today I'm working on this car and I'll have to remove the display or the navigation in order for me to polish the screen and in order for me to make it like new. And to do so, it's a very easy job, it's not complicated at all, and this is why I decided, guys, to show you all how to do it. The first thing which you have to do is to remove this trim panel from around the display unit, and if you want to remove it, you'll have to use a plastic tool, a plastic trimmer, something like that, and you'll have to put it underneath like I'm doing right here, and eventually it will come out from its clips and you'll be able to pull it just out. As you can see, in my case, it did come out pretty easy. I didn't have to force anything. And now the next step which we have to do is to disconnect the cable from the button from the hazards. The cable is right here behind it, and it has a little pin which you have to push in order for it to make it come out from the button. After you're done with removing this trim piece, you'll have to remove the 4 screws which are securing the display unit mounted to the dashboard. And to remove those 4 screws, you'll have to use an Torx 20. After you are done with removing the screws which are securing the display unit mounted to the dashboard, you'll have to pull it out just a little bit, but make sure you don't pull it too hard because it has 2 cables behind it which are connected to the display unit, and you'll have to disconnect those 2 cables if you want to remove it completely out of the car. This is the cable from the power and the rest of the commands, and right here this is the cable from the GPS, from the antenna and something like that. And if you want to remove this cable, you have to put something underneath and you have to push it up, and with one hand you have to push the little pin and release it completely from the display unit. Right here, this is the display unit from this car, and also this is how yours should look if you want to remove it from your car. If you have a car like this or another type of Audi, most of them have the similar display unit. This is all you have to do. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.